I'm responsible for all interactions between Amgen and payers, whether they be Medicare, Medicaid, or private payers. It's a cross-section of a variety of skill sets. You have to have a strong background in clinical health systems, healthcare policy, as well as strong communication. Well, a lot of it depends on whether I'm in the office or I'm on the road. In the office, it's running a fairly complex organization involving around 350 individuals. In a single day, I could bounce from a variety of subject matters. When I'm on the road, I typically focused on meeting with customers, CEOs, chief medical officers, or government officials, either at MedPAC or CMS or on the Hill. Well, after graduating with my bachelor's degree at UCLA, I went on and got my PharmD degree at UC San Francisco. I did my residency at the University of Michigan. After completing my residency, I stayed on there for 15 years. Left there, went to the University of Pittsburgh, where I was the executive director of pharmacy. You know, every 5-7 years you should try to reinvent yourself. So in 1999, I moved from academic healthcare and joined Amgen. A lot of people look at industry as kind of the dark side. One of the things that would really concern me is whether I would have the same level of intelligence and innovation outside of academia. And boy, I couldn't have been more wrong. Amgen hires the absolute brightest people in the country. The most rewarding part of the job is the ability to really influence healthcare for patients across the United States. When you work with industry, now I have the ability to interact with healthcare professionals and leaders, and as a result you really create healthcare policy, and that's what really gets me excited. First and foremost, when you leave your PharmD program, you really have to have a firm and solid clinical background. Second of all, you really have to understand how to communicate and do it effectively. And most importantly to me is you have to learn how to learn. Are you a quick study or aren't you a quick study often determines whether you get the next opportunity in life.